What's up, guys? It's Hunter for Weekends on the Water. We're here at Franklin Boat Ramp. We got a few of us coming out early this morning. We got a little bit of a late start compared to what we wanted to be. We want to be on dark, and when the sun's coming up, do some passes. We're gonna try to put up some numbers. This is where we're gonna be at the island where we're gonna do the hangout on Saturday for the Alva boat run. So don't forget, January 13th and 14th, we're doing that run. Saturday we Saturday we stay at the island. Friday we run to Royal Martins. I got the Grand Sport. Last weekend at Camp Mac, I ran it right at, it was 99 mile an hour. I'm trying to hit that 100 mark. So normally I run this 28 Haas. I'm gonna try a 30 cleaver. I know a lot of people say that's not a good prop for this boat, but I feel like it's what it needs. If you watched the video where I was running right at 100, the bow's really high, my trim's neutral to negative, and the stern of the boat is like driving in the water. So I think it needs some stern lift, but I'm gonna take it slow, see if it likes it or not, and then I'll lay into it if it feels good. We got Tristan coming in the STV. He's gonna try to put up a number. I'll take you to the water here. The water's slicked out. It's not as cold as what we would like. We wanted it a little colder than this. It's 70. Humidity's kind of high too, but that's some fast water. Back there in the water. I'm gonna go for a first cold start. Water's a little chilly. She's dirty in here right now. I gotta take some time to clean her up a little bit. Time for everybody to wake up. And that's some nice water. Might be wondering, I got some gas cans in here because I'm light on fuel in the boat. We're gonna go to the island. I'm gonna dump this, or not dump, but drop off these cans. I have to leave that cooler like that over there. That's the perfect amount of counterweight for me. Actually, I have a little bit more today, just because I put my Haas over in that back gunnel. So, well, I think it might be just perfect because normally I have to lean over towards the to the middle to about 90, a little over 90, and then it like dips back to the right, and then I can sit in back of my seat. So normally when I've been doing passes, I'm leaned over to the left, and I look at the speedo and it's buried on a 100. And I get all excited. I thought I hit 100, and then I sit back in my seat and recall it after the pass, and it's just under. It's 99. So we're trying to hit that 100. My plan wasn't to chase 100 with this boat. I was going to be happy with 95, but when it did that so easily, and now and it's so close to 100, I want that 100 mark. We'll see how she planes up with the 30 cleaver. It's a 30 by 15. No one here at the island. I got it up to 80 right now. There's nobody else out here. I'm not trying to push it yet. I'm gonna dump these cans out or drop them off here at the island. Run it a little bit. I want to get a good feel for the boat. I want to hit my own wakes, turn around, hit my own wakes. I want to feel it out a little bit. Make sure the prop is grabbing good. It feels like the boat is wanting to lay down on its belly a little bit more, which is what I want. It's just a weird feeling because I have a problem. Well, it's not really a problem. It's just how I drive, but I like the trim button. I like when I'm doing a pass, I'm constantly up on the trim until it's aired out, because I feel like the boat's stuck to the water. And then when I watch a pass from the outside, it's not stuck to the water. So I gotta retrain my brain here this morning. Try to get it to lay down flat. Flat is fast, I know that. So we're gonna try. So this is my recall from Kissimmee. Yeah, it's so close to 100. It might be 100, but I want it to be over to 10. So we're trying this morning. I just laid into it a little bit. This crop might be a little big for me. I got it up to 96, but we got Tristan and Thad just pulled up. Thad's in Tristan's Grand Sport. Tristan's got the Rocket. I'm gonna tell Tristan to let it eat right off the trailer. One pass through this spot, and it gets a little soupy. He wants that glass, slick, calm water. So he wanted to try to hit the 130 mark, but it's not as cold as we would like. The humidity's a little high, so we'll see. It's been 127 in the past. Cody brought the laser out. It's his first day with the Sportmaster. So he's trying to put up a number 2. So I ran, that was a cleared recall, 98. I was like right at 6,900, 7,000, probably 6,950. So I came up the motor a little bit to try to get more.
Buddy, come on. Make it easy on you.
Throwing Colton's 30 ET copy, 15 by 30 on Tristan's boat. Tristan ran a 32, it won't spin up the RPMs that he wants.
You need a hub? Why don't you try a 32? Which one? That one.
He wants to go cleaver. He wants to see if he can do some tricks.
I need to see what the cleaver does.
I do like tricks.
Yeah, we need some
I
good.
go silent. We're gonna find out.
We need some good videos. It's a good looking prop.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, huge.
I'm gonna throw the cleaver on the SS. Our boats ride like really similar.
Yeah, very similar.
What do you spin this thing, Colton?
6,800.
6,800, really?
It's kind of stiff.
Yeah, I was turning that cleaver just now, 6,900.
I thought I turned it more, but I never really looked at my RPMs, and I looked on the way here, and it was like 6,800.
What'd you put all your shit back on for?
I just started
I
losing.
sharpened up some things on the bottom of the boat. I can't wait too much at once.
That's Nick Hill's old prop.
Tristan's new problem. I don't see the problem with that.
She's gonna have a hefty price tag. She's been worked in lab.
No, I get it. It's
Pretty much gonna be like buying a brand new Mercury ET.
yeah, I understand.
Except it won't crack.
This bitch goes 96 to 97 right now. Fine, if you can lick mine up.
It's a bigger diameter than what he's ran too. We're gonna check your throttle too, see if you're getting full throttle.
No, we already checked that.
Yeah, but it could have vibrated out. The old 200.
Yeah, this thing should, I would think, spin what your guys' spins.
Yeah.
This motor's not a. Where's that wrench at?
Not back catch.
Left or right?
Left. I like this motor a lot.
Hey, this one right here.
That one's
Cold.
colder. So you went from an ET, you had the ET on before?
I've had the ET on.
What'd you just run earlier?
This was the Pro Max. The Pro Max was running before.
Oh, you're
It
taking
only
that one
pulls-
off.
Yeah, it only pulls like 60. It only pulls like 6,700.
What's that, a 30 Pro
It's
Max?
a 32. And the ET will spin a lot closer to 77, 78, even though it's only a 2 pitches difference.
But you haven't ran it with this gear case.
No.
Right? Yeah, Colton's on a rip right now. Colton did his best pass, 102 in the SS. So Cleaver did some magic. Just bolted on Colton's 15 by 30. It's an Eagle 3, it's like an ET copy. See what else we'll do on this, on my boat.
So we
Colton's
have
prop
our yearly-
ran 97 at 6,800. It won't trim like it normally does. I think coming up with the motor kind of hurt me. I'm gonna put my prop on and see if it'll run like normal. Got Colton going out in my Haas, the 28 Haas. He's never ran it before.
It drives nice.
then finally broke the river rocket back out to play. Tristan's gonna take it for a pass. Alright, so we did a bunch of prop swapping today. We all swapped around, tried a bunch of different setups, went up with the motor, tried a bunch of different things. This is all I got. This is, call it what you want. That looks like 100 to me. My 28 Haas seems to run the best on here. Turning more RPMs. Colton's 15. My 30 ET copy. I couldn't spin it how I wanted it to. I only spun it 6,800. The cleaver actually ran really nice, but it feels no different than my Haas does. But I'm going in early, do some Christmas shopping. Merry Christmas to you guys. Hope it was good to you. Don't forget, like I said earlier, January 13th and 14th. We got the Alva run coming up. We're trying to make this one a good one. It's always a really good turnout. It's a pretty neutral place for a lot of us. A lot of guys from the Keys and Miami and all that come down. Excuse me. But that's it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. See ya.